Welcome. Today I'll go over unboxing of this TAPO, however you pronounce this brand, security camera. So this is specifically for like home security, connects to Wi-Fi. It has a micro SD card slot up to 128 gigs. It records at 1080p, so that's kind of nice. It has night vision up to 30 feet. And motion detection. So yeah, that's about it. Oh, and obviously it has some built-in support for like Alexa and Hey Google. So anyway, let's just pop it open and see what we get in here. We get paperwork. Get that out of my face. Then we get the camera, and yeah, that's about it. So we get a charger. And we got a wall mount. Oh, that is wretched. This cardboard smells like an absolute crap. Oh, get this thing out of my face. That is absolutely wretched. Whew. Okay, so now that I can actually focus while I can't smell this, there's a tiny little camera. It has a rubberized feet. Obviously, it doesn't look like it spins left or right. It only looks up and down, as you can see right here. So that's about all you get. So like you can see, you have the mount. You just kind of, oh no, never mind, it actually does spin around. So there we go. It spins right here, so it has like all axes. So that would go over here, and it would just, come on, can I get it? I mean, you get the point. You just kind of twist it. It's probably much easier when it's actually mounted to the wall. But yeah, that's about it. I'm not gonna go over the setup of it right here. There's gonna be probably another video dedicated strictly for this. So yeah, I guess that's it for the unboxing. There's not much more in the box apart from the wall mount camera and the charger. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.